Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your site to AdSense. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Google AdSense account and make sure you're signed in with the account connected to your YouTube channel. Once you're on the AdSense dashboard, look at the menu icon in the top left corner and open it. You can also review your payment section to make sure your payment details, bank information, and tax information are already set up correctly. Now, return to the AdSense homepage and look for the Setup section. If you see a message asking you to connect your site, click the Let's Go button to continue. At this point, you may think you need to paste your YouTube channel link, but if you try to add your YouTube URL directly, it may not accept it. Instead, enter a website address if you already own one. If you have a personal site, blog, or any domain, you can add it here and save it. After entering the information, click Save and Continue with the setup process. Once completed, you should be able to move past this step and continue with your AdSense setup. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect your site to AdSense. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.